In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to enhance your task management skills, understanding how to effectively utilize tags can significantly streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. Just open your favorite web browser, type in www.asana.com and hit enter. On the homepage, you'll see an option to log in right at the top. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in to access your dashboard. But if this is your first time, don't worry. Simply click on get started or try for free to create a new account. Now that you're logged in, let's begin by opening a task. Navigate to your specific Asana project where the magic happens. Once there, locate the task you wish to tag and click to open it. Tasks are the building blocks of your projects, and managing them well is key to staying organized. Once your task is open, we can move on to adding a tag. Look towards the top right corner of the task window. There you'll spot a three-dot menu, often referred to as the options menu. A quick click on this menu will reveal a variety of controls and settings you can play around with. Among these options, find and select add tags. This will allow you to start typing in the box where you can either add an existing tag or type a new one. If your tag already exists in the system, you'll see it appear as you start typing. Select it from the drop-down. However, if it's a new tag you're creating, just press enter to save it. So now that you've added your tags, you might wonder how to view all tasks associated with a specific tag. It's simple. Just click on any tag within your task. This action opens a list of all tasks linked to that specific tag, spreading across multiple projects. It's a fantastic way to track similar tasks and manage different aspects of your projects cohesively. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Consider using color-coded tags. Adding different colors to your tags can enhance visibility and allow for quick identification, making navigation through your tasks more intuitive and visually pleasing. And there you have it. Understanding and using Asana tags can greatly improve how you sort and manage tasks across projects. So take a moment today to set up your tags and watch how this small change can have a big impact on your productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on enhancing your project management skills.